To give you a bit of background, Trasmapi celebrated its 50th anniversary last year. We're a local company based in Ibiza and part of a group that also operates other ferry lines like Formentera lines and Menorca lines. We provide service between several islands. Right now, our fleet is made up mainly of high-speed catamarans. The main users of XBEE on board are the primary engines and auxiliary engines. We work mostly with manufacturers like Mitsubishi, MTU, and Cummins, among others. Using XBEE has really helped us improve the efficiency of these fuel-hungry machines. We've seen great results, especially when it comes to reducing fuel consumption. We noticed benefits very quickly across the entire fuel system. From the tanks to the injectors and manifolds, there's been less need for filters, fewer deposits in the tanks, and far fewer deposits in the system. Injector maintenance intervals, especially for the cylinder heads, have been extended. And during fuel separator maintenance, we found way fewer deposits. In fact, for our new vessels, we decided to remove the fuel separators entirely, which gave us more room and weight capacity for other equipment. Our fleet uses different types of injection systems, and we haven't seen any issues at any engine speed while using the additive. We even tested it with renewable fuels, and the engines ran just as well, if not better, with improved efficiency. One of our main goals, both short and long-term, is to improve energy efficiency across all our vessels. We're strongly committed to reducing the emissions our ships release into the atmosphere. XBEE helps cut down CO2 and other pollutants. And since our routes operate in ports very close to residential areas, reducing smoke and odors has really improved our relationship with local communities. We would absolutely recommend using XBEE, not just to other ferry companies, but to any business that still relies on fossil fuels. It's easy to implement, and the results speak for themselves in the short, medium, and long term.
XBEE Enzyme Fuel Technology.